Welcome once again. In my previous lectures, I had given basic general idea about the interview as to what are the features, what are the basis of selection, what are the employees' requirements, what are the negative factors, what are the positive factors. Today we will talk about complete interviewing process itself. Let's say that you have been invited to come for an interview. That indicates that on paper you are the right person required in an organization for the vacant position. In fact, 80% of candidates rejected at application stage, so really you are more than 3/4 away from getting a job. Most of the big organizations will have trained interviewers who are personal professionals or trained and experienced recruiters. So expect very structured interview, and you may be interviewed by different partners who may or not be trained interviewer. If you are confronted by a bad interview, you'll have to work hard to use the questions and convey the meanings. Now, there are different types of interviewing or questioning techniques. First is straightforward chronological interview, where you are asked questions around your CV. Second is an interview, criterion-based interview, where you may be asked questions regarding teamwork, negotiating, leadership, etc. Then there's off-the-wall interview, where you are asked some bizarre question. This is to see if you can think the spot and think your creative logic, etc. The pressure interview is where your ideas are challenged or ridiculed and you have been failed, that you are being goaded into an argument. If this happens, do not lose your cool and test how you would react under extreme pressure. Okay. Now, as we said earlier, you have got an invitation for an interview. How do we start? First way, preparation. Read your resume. Your answers have to support your resume. Prepare questions to be asked and to be asked. Prepare questions to ask. You may be wanting to ask some question, and also prepare the question which they may ask you. Work out clothes to wear. What would you like to wear for an interview? It should be a formal, semi-formal clothes. It should not be informal clothes. It is better to go towards avoid jeans, wear trousers, wear shirt, wear neckties. They always have some impact. Rehearse interview. Rehearse all what you will be doing and how you will be talking. You rehearse that. Anticipate the obvious questions. There are some obvious questions which every interviewer asked. We will cover that in the next capsule, but you should be able to anticipate these questions. Work out a strategy when you will be under a stress. Then that case, like we have said, in pressure interviews, you'll have to maintain your cool. Take a deep breath, smile, take it easy, do not get nervous. Then lastly, know the place where the interview will take place. Read the vacancy details, employers' literature, what they are and what they want. Next, we talked about is first impression. Arrive in good time, make a good entrance, be confident of yourself. Your body language should be give the feeling of a good image. You should have a firm handshake if the hand is offered. Posture should be erect and eyes should be to meet the interviewer's eyes and like you are going to be, you are ready for their questioning, their grilling. Smile a bit to indicate a pleasant face. Do not maintain a grim face. During the interview, be yourself. Do not overreact. Do not talk loudly. Be honest. Be prepared to talk, but not too much. Don't be afraid to ask for clarifications, because if you can't get clarifications, you will be talking on the tangent. Don't be illustrate your answers with example. If you have an answer, you have example to it. Try and give the example with the answer. Be ready to sell yourself. Make an effort to tell in very short to the interviewer about yourself. Be interesting. A slight smile, a slight pun did not make a difference. Next we come to after interview, you have been asked questions which we have already talked about. We have talked about the basis of our assessments. All this part, the part of this part of the interview. Next is the final stage. Know when the interview is over. Read employer's body language. By body language, you would be able to find out if the employer has now finished the interview. Thank the employer for his time. You are welcome to ask the interviewer feedback. Sir, what do you think are my shortcomings? He will feel nice. You say, what all can I learn from this experience of interviewing with you? Then you may want to ask some questions to the interviewer. You may want to know the organization. What type of organization do they have? What type of work are they into? What are the future development? What kind of work you will be doing and for how long? What is the variety of work? What is the training offered or possible training? What are other qualifications which you may acquire over a period of time? Where you will be based and how much of travel or mobility will be required? Prospects of salary, progression. You can again ask general way of life, accommodation, amenities, company accommodations. So these are the general questions which you must ask, and this will give him an idea about your seriousness, about your sense of balance. Next, we will talk about the questions the employer is likely to ask. That we'll cover in our next module. Thank you.